Stop throwing your money away. Stop the insanity. When you pay rent, you're giving your hard-earned money away to help pay someone else's mortgage. Don't you want to use your hard-earned money to pay your own mortgage? I'm Joey Rockenstein, and this is Rockin' Real Estate LA, the show helping first-time homebuyers get results that rock. In this video, I'm going to show you how much money you missed out on this past year if you are renting versus owning a home. But before I get into that, I'd like to give a shout out to today's sponsor for this video, coffee. Coffee, the drink you drink because your parents drank it. Oh, that's good. That's good coffee. The latest national rent report from apartmentlist.com shows that rents have increased significantly this year than the 3 years prior that led up to the pandemic. Since January of this year, the national median rent has increased by a staggering 16.4%. To put that in context, rent growth from January to September only grew at a rate from 3 to 4%. However, looking back, we know that rent increases is not a new thing. I thought it just happened. The median rental price has increased consistently over the past 33 years. That's a long time. So it's not a new thing. If you're thinking of renting for another year, consider that rents are going to be even higher going into the next year. They're just going to keep increasing. But that alone doesn't paint the picture of the true cost of renting. Sure, depends on where you live, you might have rent control. But when you think about it, paying rent is actually controlling you. See what I did there? A little wordplay on control. That's good. The investment grows in the form of equity as a homeowner pays their monthly mortgage payment each month to help pay off their home loan. Their equity gets an additional boost from home price appreciation, which is near record highs right now, especially here in Los Angeles. The latest homeowner equity report from CoreLogic shows that homeowners gained significant amounts of equity through this past year. The research shows the average homeowner gained approximately $51,500 in equity during the past year. $51,500. That's a lot of coins. Excuse me, I couldn't hear what you just said. I just have the clanking of money in my ears. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. As a renter, you don't gain the same benefits. Sure, you get shelter and included amenities, but you don't get that investment that a homeowner gets when they're paying off their home loan. It doesn't come back to you in any shape or form. The only way that your payment comes back to you is in the form of a new car that your landlord is driving because you're helping to pay their mortgage. That means by renting this year, you paid more in rent than you did in the previous year, and you also missed out on that $51,500. Do I need to say that again? $51,500 by not being a homeowner this past year. That's a ton of money that you can use. Hell, anybody could use that money. It will provide value in your life to have that kind of money invested. And speaking of value, did you find value in this video? If you did, give it a thumbs up. How about a share? I'll wait. Still hot. Now, some of you might be watching this video and thinking, hey, I'm not ready for homeownership. I have to rent. That's my current situation. And that's fine if that's where you are. But if you're on the fence, maybe it's time to get off it and talk to somebody like a financial advisor to see what your best options are. And if you are on the fence and you have a question about this, drop them in the comments below and I would be happy to help you out and answer those questions. Some of the reasons that you're maybe not ready for homeownership is because you're paying off debt. Student loans could be a big one. You also are still renting because you like going out. You like going to Crossroads, fine dining. You like going to the Beauty and Essex bar. You like seeing all the big Marvel movies in the theaters now that the iPic is open, and you want luxury. That luxury is going to end up costing you if homeownership is one of your goals down the line. Let me drop a cliche for you. If I can own a home, you can own a home. And I own a home. It was a lot of hard work, but it happened. So do yourself a favor, get with a financial advisor and map out a plan of how you can make homeownership happen for you. When deciding whether you should rent or buy in the future, Keep in mind how much rent is costing you. Another year of renting is another year of paying rising rent costs and missing out on building your wealth through home equity. Stop the insanity of giving your hard-earned money to somebody else. You deserve your money. You worked hard for it. Invest it in yourself. Just say no to landlord. I'm Joey Rockenstein. This is Rockin' Real Estate LA. Results that rock. Stop the insanity!